Find the length x, which is the red line. Label points B, C, O, D, E, and G. O is the center of the semicircle. Join line B, D. Since C, D is the diameter of the semicircle, angle B equals 90 degrees. It is because the angle in a semicircle equals 90 degrees. Join line B, O and line E, O each equals the radius R of the circle. Since angle D, B, G equals 90 degrees, angle B, G, D equals angle B, D, G equals 45 degrees. Triangle D, B, G is a 45 degrees right triangle. Thus, line B, D equals to line B, G. Angle B, OE equals 2 times angle B, DE equals 90 degrees. This is because angle at center is twice that at the circumference of the circle. Triangle B, OE is a 45 degrees right triangle. Line B, O equals to line E, O which equals R, the radius of the semicircle. Use Pythagoras theorem in triangle BOE and we have that the square of the length of line B, E equals the product of 2 and the square of R. This implies that the square of the square root of 2 equals the product of 2 and the square of R. Simplify the equation and we have that 2 equals the product of 2 and the square of R. Divide the equation by 2. It implies that the square of R equals 1. Find the square root of the equation and we have that R equals 1. Line C, D equals the product of 2 and R. It is the diameter of the semicircle. It implies that line C, D equals 2 times 1 which equals 2 units. Therefore, the required length of the red line, x equals 2 units.